Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. If you recognize this room at all, you know that we are in Lacey right now. I'm running over to Tony's shop real quick to get my portable jumper pack, which is the battery. I left it here over the last 2 weeks or something like that, and I'm gonna put in a really funny clip here showing that this is what happens when you don't keep your battery on you at all times. Right now, we're at the twins' place. Nick's got his whole thing of rolling rocks right there.
I have more too.
And more. There's another box right there. And then there's some beers in here. I've got an extension cord, and what we're gonna do is drop it down to Miles. Because his car lost all battery yesterday.
Magic.
But yeah.
No, don't drop the whole thing.
Oh, I got stuck.
What outcome did you expect out of that?
I don't know.
Like,
Who's trying to hit me? Who's trying to hit me?
Yeah, I was trying to hit you.
Fuck you. Wait, is that a fucking warrant again?
Oh, Jesus. Alright, coming up. So where are we going with this?
Oh, well.
We are secured. Oh, perfect. That's
We
perfect.
have secured the bag.
Secured the bag.
Bag has been secured.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little thing with Miles there. He was not having a good time. His battery died from leaving his underglow on for too long. So that's a thing. But I think, speaking of underglow, I might want to be doing underglow at some point here. So we'll see exactly what's going on pretty soon. But yeah, so today I was just looking at a ton of videos of doing headliner replacements, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to go to Jo-Ann Fabrics and just pick up the really cool, what's it called? The Galaxy headliner material. So we might go ahead and head on over there in a little bit, but first I gotta run by the shop and grab my battery, and then also Tony has some of the LEDs in his shop already, so maybe we'll just see if we can just cop those from him real quick and buy him a new set for when they actually do a headliner on a different vehicle. And it's super easy. We just need 3M adhesive. We need to poke it through and run all of the little LEDs through that, and then yeah, it should be pretty good. So let's go ahead and head on over there real quick and see what's up. If not, I might just do the headliner and not put in LEDs, but they would look super cool, and you need to take off the material anyway, so might as well do it all at once instead of trying to take it out again later. That would be a very big pain. So yeah, let's get today started. I really don't know what kind of sorcery this is, but okay. Ooh, big wing! Ooh, Accord. So I'm here at Kingston Auto Style and just reclaimed my jump pack. So this usually just sits right under my passenger seat, and I can jump as many people as I want. Like, I think off of this one battery I've jumped like 12 or 13 cars before on one bar of battery, so that's pretty solid. But yeah, and then here is the lights. There are apparently 200 pieces here, and we're gonna just poke the shit out of my roof liner and yeah, apply the so we're about to go to what's it called, Jo-Ann, and get some fabric, the Galaxy wrap for this, and it's gonna look so prime, hopefully. And I gotta get some adhesive from AutoZone so that we can spray adhesive all of the liner back onto it, go a little bit overboard just in case, you know, get it all nice and sealed, and then we'll poke through, put all of these 200 lights in, snip them, and then we've got the controller right here, so that'll be super nice. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. I don't know how much we'll get done, but hopefully Mateo is going to come with us to Jo-Ann's, because I am pretty set on the Galaxy roof liner, but there are some really cool materials there, so maybe we'll go with something else instead. I need a second opinion. But look at this. This is stuff I got from Jo-Ann's to make my custom shift boot with for, I don't know, like it cost me $5 to do this. So it's great. We are here at Jo-Ann. I already picked up my fabric here. It's right here. So this is what we're gonna go for. This is the only material that looked decent enough to go in this car for like the Galaxy kind of night lights look that I'm going for. That was big enough. There was another one that I really liked that had planets on it too, and unfortunately it's not wide enough for the 4-foot ceiling here, so yeah, there was only 44 inches of it. I need 48 at least. Didn't have enough, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this. This is 108 inches. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. Oh yeah. But yeah, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, hit AutoZone real quick, grab some adhesive spray, and then we're gonna go grab maybe a sewing needle too. I think I have some at home though. So yeah, let's get over there. Back at the house now. About to put this in, but first we have to take out the original headliner. Got Mason here with me as well. We're about to tear the car apart. But yeah, I gotta take out a lot of stuff. Microphone, boom. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain. Alrighty, so I've gotten this out. That was interesting. All of these connectors are disconnected. This one is out as well. Now I just gotta pop that side, and then the whole headliner should just come out. Should be okay.
I was gonna say.
Aha! Fender liner's finally out. We're
Fender
gonna go
liner.
ahead and Fender liner. Yeah. Who's this? Why are you being so loud? Headliner's finally out of the car. It's looking pretty prime, actually. Just gonna go ahead and remove all of this stuff, and then I think we're gonna have to grab a brush or something, or just use our fingers. Alrighty, guys. So as you can see here, we are starting to just take out all of the foam material, and then my can of adhesive is somewhere. Oh, it's right there actually. We're gonna apply that adhesive straight to the back of this and then lay down our material. Look all good. So we have this thing all nice and cleaned up. It looks so good. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go ahead and start laying down the felt material here. It's right there. And I'm gonna start on the big side so it has a lot more to adhere to, and then after it's all tucked in nice, then we're gonna go ahead and lay the other side down. So it'll be this half first, and then lay down the other side. Ooh, this is gonna look so good. I can't wait. Also, this is also gonna look so good. Can't wait for this either, but that's gonna be on hold for a little bit. The guy who's gonna do my custom chassis mount stance has been booked out till like at least the end of the month.
We went to church with the person that owns that back lot. So he let us go and do whatever we wanted.
That's the man. That's the man.
Hi.
Oh, Ken's here too.
Hi.
You guys haven't seen Ken in ages on
Years.
this channel. Literal years.
Literal
But
years.
We're back at it. We're
Yes, sir.
probably going to be doing a coilover install
Yes, sir.
in a couple days here. So make sure you guys subscribe. Watch out for that video.
Yes, sir.
We're doing some crazy stuff. We're doing some crazy stuff now. Let's get right onto it. Okay, so I've taken out these we've got dots everywhere. I've canceled out some dots.
What?
But we've got dots everywhere. I'm gonna poke holes, and I'm using a little needle to do that, and then I'm gonna run all these fuckers in there. So yeah, let's get that started. It's kind of a boring process. Let's go. Alrighty guys, this is the last one. And where are we gonna put it? I don't fucking know. Right here. Let's just do it right here. Alrighty.
Let's go. There goes like 200 of them. Nice.
This is
Look at that.
crazy, bro. Alright, let's see how this looks in the dark.
Yeah.
Ooh, buddy!
Bro, that looks
God
fire.
damn!
Damn.
This is gonna be insane. Alright guys, it is the next day. I've actually gone ahead and rewired everything. I took out all 200 of the fiber optic cables and I put them all back in so that they're nice and clean. They were a mess yesterday, but now this is what it looks like. So I've got all of the cable running now. Very nice. Everything's tucked to one corner. That's where we're gonna be powering the light from, and then it runs nice all the way through. But yeah. So now I have to go ahead and hot glue all of these down just to make sure they don't move when I end up cutting them. Well, all of them are all glued in now. All of that. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it over and just trim all of them out, and then hopefully when I put it into the car, it works well. We'll see what's up.
Bruh, this guy.
Oh. Okay. Well, we'll see how this goes. Yo, so we're struggling to put this shit in, and your boy Zani Media just shows up out of nowhere with the new bike. What? Everybody's getting bikes right now, bro.
Right? Dude, they're not too
It looks good though. I like it.
Thank you. Yeah, it's 2017, had 700 miles on. I was like, woo!
Heck yeah, man.
Still figuring out how to ride it, so I was kind of taking it out, and I was like, yo, I wonder if Alex is home. So I just swing by.
So the headliner is back in the car now. It took forever and it was a pain to do, but I think it was definitely worth it. Some of the material on the headliner is kind of sagging a little bit, but I think it's okay. Here, I'll just show you guys so you can see for yourself. There it is. See if I can make it any brighter for y'all. There we go. So there she is. All done. Let's see. Also wired it to ignition, so once the car's on, we've got the stars as well. And of course, I had to get the broken heart in there. So yeah. And then it's all controlled by the remote here, so got a white. Pretty solid. Woo! Car is very dirty right now, but that's okay. It still looks good. We are back out here at Carlos's place. You guys saw that in the previous video that he was starting to wrap his car. We did all the body work for it. Here it is now.
What is going up, guys? It's your boy, Sad STI here.
Yeah.
With, you know, the Clout i3500, whatever it's called.
The EI 3500.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It's called no Tesla. But he's got his new front bumper in from Japan, and that thing is looking gnarly. Yo, wait, hold up. What? How to? Holy shit.
What's up?
That's some shit, dude. Oh shit, guys. I like this color a lot. What is this?
Oh, there we go.
Ghost Pro.
Curves.
It's got that iridescent look on it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god! Alright, Thomas. Don't lay way too much rap on here.
Shut the fuck up! Don't show Tony this, okay?
I guess we have just officially taken over this entire neighborhood. Everything flat, bro.
Stressing me.
No, I'm not stressing you. I'm just asking. Oh, bro.
You're stressing me. Look,
Yeah.
I'm tripping in the shit.
You've always been tripping this shit. You good. This is looking good. I like how smooth that bumper is, man. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. If you guys are interested in doing something like this, it is really easy to install, and actually most car things are really easy to do by yourself. You just have to figure out how to do them, and trial and error is definitely a good way of learning. So if you guys are interested in working on your own cars, I highly suggest you guys go ahead and just pull the trigger and start doing it. Make sure you got some friends around that know what they're doing on their their part, and you guys can help each other for sure. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel, and I've got some really cool content coming out soon. I know I always say that, but I also just ordered upper control arms for the fronts, so we'll be installing those soon, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.